So hi, welcome to episode RTG 2. We will today take this problem, carpooling. So the problem goes like there is a car with capacity empty seats. The vehicle only drives east. It only drives in one way. We are given the integer capacity and an array trips. In trips array, we have number of passenger who travel from this point to this point. Okay, from and to. Indicate that I trip as number of passenger are in locations to pick them up and drop them off to from and pick and drop to 2 point, right? So what we have to find is return trip. It is possible to pick up and drop off all the passengers in the given trips or false otherwise. Okay. So basically you can see that there are two passengers who is start at point 1 and end at point 5. Okay. And again at point 3, three passengers are coming. Okay. So you can see that the total capacity of the car is only 4, but you can see here like the two passengers are already there. And on the third point, or the three member are already coming. So is it possible? It's not possible, right? So the answer is false. But we'll see the second possible case. Two passengers are coming at 1, ending at 5. Then three passengers are coming at 3 and ending at 7. So how many people? 3 to 5 and capacity is 5. So the answer is 5. So it will true. So now we'll have to find, first of all, at each point, if you see the constraints, trips dot length equals to 1000. So basically, let's say there we have point from 0 to 1000 and we have to find at each point, does the capacity increase or exceeds the given capacity? If yes, then you can't return false. If no, then you can return true. Okay, this is the problem you have to find. But now how will you maintain that? Okay, now at this point, how many members are there? And this point, how many members are there? This is the major thing that we need to find, and how will you find it? So one major way is the partial sum technique. Okay, prefix sum technique, partial sum. So basically what we do is, in the given prefix sum array, we, if let's say we'll make a prefix sum array of 1000 size, and at 2 and at point 1 we'll increase it by 2. Okay, so increase it by 2 means from starting from 1 everyone is 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, and decrease after 5. Okay, so after 5 means 5 till 5 it will be 2, after 5 it will be minus 3. Okay, minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. Okay, so this will be there. Now, if you see this, so starting from 3, I will increase it by 3. So at 3, we'll increase it by 3. So if you see that 1, 2, 3, it will increase by 3, 2 plus 3. Okay, 2 plus 3, then 2 plus 3, then 2 plus 3. So you can, and now at last each point, I will check that it is, does it exceed the capacity or decrease the capacity, and that is the problem. So we'll t dot size strip dot size will make a prefix sum array vector of int prefix sum will make of 1001 size, because we know already that it is of 1000, and for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I less plus plus. What we'll do is basically int from int number of passenger equals to ti0 ti0. If someone asks what is from, I will say it is ti1, and if someone asks me what is 2, I will say that it is ti2. Okay. How, what I told, that prefix sum array p sum of from plus equals to num. Okay. And p sum 2 minus equals to minus, sorry, p sum 2 minus equals to num. This is the prefix sum array. Okay. Now you have to check till all the 1000 points. For int I equals to 0, I less than equals to 1000, and I plus plus. I plus plus C, current capacity plus equals to prefix sum of I. Okay. And if current exceeded the capacity, I will say, okay, no, it's returned false because it's not possible, and give it return true. This is the problem. You initialize it current equals to 0 here, current equals to 0. And yeah, this is C and this is T. Okay. Now run the code and see is it passing or not. Yes. So basically, this is a problem of prefix sum. If you know how to build a partial sum or prefix sum over a range, this is like the common standard problem where someone asks you that, okay, from 2 to 10, we are increasing it by 5, increasing it by 5. Then from 3 to 7, we are decreasing it by 4. Okay. Then 5 to 11, we are increasing it by 9. So if I ask you that at all point, do we have this capacity or not? So this will be solved by difference area concept, that is partial sum. So yeah, this was the problem. We'll meet in the I submitted it, right? Yeah, I thought so. So yeah, we'll meet in the second one. Till then, have fun.